In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off sound effects on LinkedIn. If those little dings and clicks on LinkedIn keep breaking your focus, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to silence them while keeping videos and calls unaffected. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type LinkedIn, then select the official LinkedIn website from the results to open it. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your settings. If you see a sign-in page, just log in and you'll land on your feed. Once you're on your LinkedIn home feed, look to the top navigation bar. Click the Me icon. It's the profile menu at the top right, usually showing your profile photo. From the drop-down that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This opens a dedicated settings area with a sidebar on the left and detailed options on the right, where you manage how LinkedIn behaves for your account. In the left sidebar, click Account Preferences. This section controls general behavior and interface options across your account. On the right, find the General Preferences area. Within General Preferences, click Sound Effects. This page is where LinkedIn groups the interface sounds you hear while browsing, such as notification chimes, subtle clicks, and other small audio cues. On the Sound Effects page, you'll see a single toggle switch that controls these sounds on desktop. Click the toggle to turn them off. When the switch is off, it will visibly change state, often shifting color or sliding to the left, confirming that sounds are disabled. From now on, LinkedIn won't play those interface effects as you navigate, react to posts, or open messages. This does not mute media. Videos in your feed and audio during meetings or calls will still play normally according to your device volume. If you ever want the audio cues back, return to the same place and click the toggle again to re-enable them. A quick page refresh after changing the setting can help it apply immediately. Keep in mind that product layouts can evolve, but the path generally remains the same. Me, Settings and Privacy, Account Preferences, General Preferences, then Sound Effects. If the option looks slightly different, look for wording like Enable Sounds on LinkedIn with a similar switch. And that's it. You've successfully turned off LinkedIn's sound effects, creating a quieter, more focused browsing experience while you work or network. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video to follow along as you make the change on your own account.